What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us, and today I am going to review Suraj Pe Mangal Bhari. Before talking about the synopsis of the movie, let's talk about what the message the movie has to convey. If we categorize our community, the middle class families are a very huge group in our society. So what happens is that Suraj is a guy and he's desperate to get married, and because his father has already settled his dairy business and they are looking for the new guest to come in their family, so they wanted to welcome it. But unfortunately, certain things happened in his life and he was being rejected by the girls. So now finally another hope comes, and it was also rejected. And the reason was that the Pandit showed them the pictures that, oh, this is yours, and they found him drinking and all these things, and he said that these are just pictures, the reality is something else. Majority of the time it happens that we always seek help from the resources that we really need to not rely on. So he got the help from his friend, and the friend said that you should show some manly things so that you will have some charisma and something will really happen. So it devalued or somehow disrespected, they felt disrespected at the scene. So the parents lost hope, and then he said that who is the person behind. So now comes the main character also, like Madhu Mangal, a detective who has a mission. His mission is that no women in the community or society should get married with substandard people, and he is doing it at his level best to find all the vices in a guy. And overall he has like 49 not out result. So he brought everything, whatever the guys are doing it, disguising himself and finding all the clues. Now Suraj get all these ideas that who is the person behind him from Pandit, and he trying to invade in his office and found out Tulsi there. So Tulsi is the sister of Detective Mangal. So there is a mother and there is an uncle also living there. So he falls in love with her, the love at first sight. So finding everything about himself there, and finding the other things also. And now he said that there is, like, if somebody is portraying himself pious than the Pope, there is someone who is calling himself saint. All were conceived in a sin. So he will trying to figure it out, that what is the hidden truth that I could find it about him, so that I should pay back in the same coin. So he just wanted to give him the taste of his own medicine, and found out that instead of him, his sister Tulsi, who really trying to become a middle class, a good, sober and sophisticated girl, turned to be a DJ. So her Rishta also came, and this time instead of giving the photos to the Pandit, Suraj posted them on the newspaper. Now things get heated up between Detective Mangal and Suraj. So now he is trying new card to use, and this time he used the card of his own sister. So now, as he knew that Suraj and Tulsi are getting closer, so they use the card of Dory. So it is in our community that we find out that this card can be used very easily, and especially, you know, all those people who have earned something in their life, they are not greedy about the things, but all those who are expecting all these things, they just objectify their own children, and they feel like that is their asset, or that is something could bring the interest, and the interest is in the shape of all the materialistic things that they will get during the wedding. So now Madhu Mangal has a hidden truth, and you will really find that what the hidden truth is, and you will see that how Suraj will pay back. But overall it is good to watch, and especially soft and nice movie. And the thing is that sometimes we can neglect all these things because we can say that these plots are 90s or something like this. But remember that there is a very big group that lives in that section, and there are still things going on about your overall. When you will watch in the movie, when they are arranging marriage, they have so many things to talk about, and you will really enjoy it. Overall, it is best to watch with your family and loved ones, and I hope you will really have a good weekend. Take care of yourself, and bye bye, and have a great weekend.